Josh and Jen, there are international complications to this case. Viktor Novosel is originally from Yugoslavia. That country doesn't exist anymore. Can't send him back there. He also has Canadian citizenship, but fears over what might happen if he can't be deported there in a timely fashion hurt his chance at parole today.
And you've been ordered deported, is that true?
Yes.
Convicted murderer Viktor Novosel is 80 years old, but prosecutors say if he regains his freedom, he could still be a danger to the family he terrorized in the early 1970s, engaging in a series of escalating domestic violence incidents against his ex-wife.
He cut the phone lines with a knife, kidnapped the children, and threatened to kill them. He was charged with burglary and convicted.
Novosel was out on parole in 1974 when he murdered his mother-in-law, Helen Morrison, and shot his father-in-law, George Morrison, in their South End Concord home on Christmas Eve. This morning, a victim advocate read a letter to the parole board from the Morrison family. They don't think incarceration has changed Novosel at all.
That even as he approaches 81 years old, he will still be seeking revenge on the Morrison family members.
If Novosel is ever granted parole, he's supposed to be deported to Canada, where he has citizenship. But the Attorney General's office says that process has broken down in the past with serious consequences.
What sometimes happens is that people are handed over from prison to ICE custody. The time frames aren't met for whatever reason. That person is not deported, and they're let out with no controls over them.
Recognizing the possible danger, today parole board members told Novosel if they're going to let him out, he has to come up with a plan to be supervised by Canada's correctional system first.
Your plan is to live in Canada. You need to go to a Canadian facility to transition out.
In the meantime, Novosel will remain in the New Hampshire State Prison. After the hearing, the Attorney General's office said it is pleased with the denial of Novosel's parole and that public safety in the U.S. and Canada is its #1 concern in this case. Adam Sexton, WMUR News 9.